Welcome to Mechinesm_AI, your gateway to the fascinating world of computer science, cutting-edge technology, and the mind-bending realms of artificial intelligence. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will unravel the mysteries of our digital age? Here, we dive deep into the realms of code and circuits, exploring the very foundations of modern innovation. Join us as we demystify the enigmatic world of artificial intelligence, from self-learning algorithms to the limitless possibilities they bring to our future. We're your guides through the intricate tapestry of AI, making the complex comprehensible. And that's not all. For the curious mind seeking a cosmic perspective, we've got you covered. Delve into the pages of books like A Brief History of Time, and journey through the cosmos, unraveling the universe's most mind-boggling secrets. So whether you are a tech enthusiast, a budding computer scientist, or simply someone hungry for knowledge, Mechinesm_AI is your destination. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Get ready to expand your horizons, challenge your intellect, and become a part of our vibrant community where learning meets innovation. Mechinesm_AI, where machines and mind collide. Let's dive in together.